Why Quooker? With a cooker in your home, you always have instant 100-degree boiling water on demand. No more waiting for the kettle to boil, no more waiting for a pan of water to boil. What started in 1970 as a simple yet revolutionary idea by Henry Patery, the inventor of the 100-degree boiling water tap, is now a daily reality for hundreds of thousands of users worldwide. What are the advantages of Quooker? With a cooker, you always have the convenience of boiling, hot, cold, chilled filtered and chilled sparkling water straight from the tap. It is the safest and most sustainable option for you. So, with a range of options available on the market, why choose the original 100-degree boiling water tap? And what makes it unique? Quooker invented the concept of 100-degree boiling water on tap. Quooker has over 80 patents. Quooker has been trading for over 30 years and over 12 years in the UK. The only true 100-degree tap. The only system on a market that uses stainless steel patented high vacuum insulation. As a consequence, we are the most economical system on the market. The only system on the market that filters every delivery of boiling water with a high-tack water filter. A separate tank gives you chilled filtered and chilled sparkling water from the same tap. The water is purified with an active carbon and hollow fibre filter. The only system on the market that delivers boiling water aerated and not as a solid jet, preventing the risk of scalds or burns. Unique push and turn mechanism for activation of boiling water delivery. Chilled water and sparkling water. Unique rise and fall action providing height adjustment. And 360-degree rotation. Separate lever for operation of cold and hot water further removes the risk of accidental operation. Maintained by a dedicated UK team guaranteeing a prompt and reliable service. The only tap on the market that does cold, hot, 100-degree, chilled sparkling water and chilled filtered water all from a single tap.